Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Flexible Drain Cleaning Wand. In this set, I received 2 sets of mini drain cleaning snakes and 2 pairs of latex gloves. The drain cleaner is a simple tool. It's made of plastic and measures 17 inches when unrolled. It's basically a long plastic strip with tiny hooked teeth on it spaced every half inch along its length. The idea is that if you have a clog in your sink drain, you can insert this snake, which will pass through the clog of hair and bring it back up and out of the drain when you pull up on the handle ring. Here you can see our bathroom sink is backing up, and the water in the sink drains very slowly. So I'll try and straighten out the snake as best I can and insert it into the drain all the way to the hilt. If your pipe curves, try and position the snake so that the natural roll of it scoops into the curve of the pipe. As you push, you should feel it pass through the clog, then pull it back up slowly. And there's the big clog that was causing the sink to back up. Pretty gross. But now the sink drain is clear and the water runs through without backing up, so this thing actually worked, and it didn't require any harsh chemicals or a lot of effort. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.